Hello friends, this is the working demonstration of Arduino based turbidity meter. You can see the turbidity values in LCD display and also the LED indication, that is green for clear, blue for medium and red for high turbidity. This is the circuit diagram of turbidity meter. I connected the sensor to Arduino's A0 pin because the sensor output is analog values. Then LCD is connected to I2C pins of Arduino, that is SDA to A4 and SCL to A5. Finally, I connected the RGB LED to D2, D3 and D4, and that's it. I connected everything together with the help of breadboard and jumper wires. Connections are very simple. First connect LCDs ground to ground and VCC to 5 volt. Then connect SDA to A4 and SCL to A5. Then connect the turbidity sensor VCC to 5 volt and ground to ground, and output of the turbidity sensor connect to A0 pin of Arduino. Finally connect the RGB LED common ground to ground, green to D2, blue to D3 and red to D4. That's it. You can find the code and circuit diagram link from description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.